today's lesson is on Pemdas, or the order of operations. And what we're going to do is we're going to break it down into smaller pieces and see if we can attack one piece at a time. So the first thing that we're going to look at is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now in Pemdas, multiplication and division always stick together. They're kind of on the same level. Some people assume that you do all the multiplication first and then all the division first. It's not true. They're on the same level, so what you do is all of the multiplication and the division at the same time from left to right. The same goes for the addition and the subtraction. They're on the same level, so you're going to do all of them at once from left to right. Just a couple of quick examples here. Multiplication and division does come before addition and subtraction. So if we look at 20 minus 3 times 4, we need to do the multiplication first. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and then we rewrite the remainder of our equation. 20 minus 12 equals 8. With our second example, division comes first. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then our addition, 4 plus 5 equals 9. If you try any of the try it examples on your own during the notes, that will get you extra credit for class on Tuesday. As we go, if we have a problem with just multiplication and division, we're still going to use that left to right rule. Just like you read, you're going to solve from left to right. So the first example says 2 times 30 is 60. And then we're going to divide by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Again, if you're going to do the try it examples, you will get extra credit on homework. Let's do the first one together just so you kind of get the hang of things. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Then you rewrite the rest of the equation. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And again, we're doing this from left to right because all the operations that we have are multiplication and division. Same thing goes if we just have addition and subtraction. If the only operations in our example are addition and subtraction operations, they're on the same level, so we're going to work from left to right. Left to right. So 20 minus 3 goes first, that's 17, plus 5 will give us 22. We'll do the first example under our try it. 6 plus 8 gives us 14. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Finish that example for extra credit. If we move on, once we start combining multiplication, division, addition, subtraction all together, first you do all of the multiplication and the division from left to right, and then you do all of the addition and subtraction from left to right. So the first set of operations, multiplication, division, you find all the multiplication, division parts. So the first division piece going from left to right is 14 divided by 7, and that gives us 2. We rewrite the equation surrounding our new answer, and we need to do the multiplication piece here. The multiplication piece is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Rewrite the surrounding information. All we have left is addition and subtraction, so we're going from left to right. 8 plus 6 is 14, minus 5 gives us 9. Okay? These examples are crucial to do if you are lost, if you're starting to get a little confused. You want to make sure these are really something you understand. Do the first example over here together. Remember, division and multiplication comes first. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. If I rewrite the equation, 6 plus 3 times 4 minus 1. The multiplication here, 3 times 4 gets substituted, so 6 plus 12 minus 1. And then we solve from left to right. 6 plus 12 is 18, minus 1 is equal to 17. finish the rest of those examples. Now we need to add the exponents. Whenever you write an exponent is the big number multiplied by itself, the number of times the little number, or the exponent, tells you to. Exponents come before multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, to do the exponent in this example, 3 is multiplied by itself 2 times, because our exponent is 2. We rewrite it, 5 plus 3 times 3 is 9, minus 8. All we have left is addition and subtraction, so we solve from left to right. 5 plus 9 is 14, minus 8 is equal to 6. So again, you can try it for extra practice. The last step of Pemdas is the parentheses. Parentheses are now going to come first. So first we have parentheses, second we have exponents, third we have multiplication and division, and fourth we have addition and subtraction. So that means whatever's inside parentheses you should do first. On that note, inside the parentheses, if there exists addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or an exponent, you still have to do the piece inside the parentheses in Pemdas order, using your order of operations. So in this case, 13 minus 11 is just 2. There's only one operation for us here. But it's 2 raised to the second power. And we copy the rest of our equation, which is 20. The next piece is our exponent. 2 to the second power is 2 times 2, which gives us 4. We copy the rest of our equation. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Let's do one more. This piece right here. Inside our parentheses, we have 10 plus 2 minus 8. 10 plus 2 is 12. Minus 8 will bring us to 4. So we rewrite the equation as 5 plus 4 cubed divided by 2. 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 times 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So 5 plus 64 divided by 2. Now you need to do the division piece first. So 64 divided by 2 is 32. And then you finish by adding 5 plus 32, and that will give you 37. So order of operations are a little complicated. You want to make sure that you're doing everything in the right order all of the time. You go from left to right if you only have a certain type of operation, such as multiplication, division, or the addition, subtraction that are paired together. But if you have a mix of operations, you do need to use Pemdas and complete it in that order. Just a reminder, any of the try it problems that you do on your own prior to class will give you extra credit points for tomorrow's stages. There's also a link on the extra credit calendar for you to practice order of operations. It's kind of fun and interesting, so take a look.